Today we're talking lecithin, and lecithin is something you should know about if you're a runner because it is a common ingredient in many supplements, and as we'll show, it's related to the molecule choline, which we talked about in a previous video, which was important for runner as a neurotransmitter. So let's take a look at chemistry and take a deep look. So what you see here is a molecule of lecithin. And what lecithin is really a generic name for a mixture of compounds. And they're a mixture of compounds that have one key element in common. And that is the black part you see in this picture here. And what this black part is a backbone made of glycerol. And what's unique about this molecule is that it's particularly good at dissolving in both water and fat. And so it makes it a really good emulsifying agent or a compound that's able to dissolve fat, oil into water, those type of things. And the reason it's good at that is because it has this polar end, which is the red part, note the plus and the minuses, and you have these non-polar chains of carbon, the green and the blue, which are able to dissolve in fat. But one of the most important compounds in the lecithin mixture is shown here, and this particular one is called phosphatidylcholine, and the most important part of this compound is really that last part, choline. And if you look at this red part here, and if you remember the previous video we did on choline, what you'll see here is that what makes lecithin so important is that one of its most predominant forms in its mixture is this form shown on the page, phosphatidylcholine, and it has the ability to donate this red part, choline, to the body. And choline is the precursor for the formation of acetylcholine, which is one of the most important neurotransmitters in the body, and is particularly important for the transmission of signals from the brain to the muscles for movement. So if you want to do something such as, say, run, acetylcholine is important to send that signal from your brain to your muscles, enabling your muscles to fire optimally and efficiently. So that's why lecithin is important, because it is a key donator of choline to the body. That's why it is a common ingredient in supplements, and it's something you should know about if you're a runner. As always, the more you know, the faster you run.